everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chicken chipotle pasta. I've set my pot to medium heat with 4 quarts of water, and once it comes to a boil, we're going to add the pasta. And I'm using 1 pound of rigatoni pasta, or you can use any pasta of your choice. Cook for about 10 minutes. It's been 11 minutes, our pasta is ready, and I'm going to drain it. Now I'm gonna prepare the chicken. I'm gonna be using 1 pound of chicken breast that I've cut into smaller pieces. And to season it, I'm gonna use Kinder's The Blend. This seasoning has black pepper, salt, and garlic. And we let it sit for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna start working on the salsa for the pasta. I set my pot on medium heat with some oil. Oil is hot and I'm gonna add 2 garlic cloves and 1/4 of a white onion. And we're gonna fry until they're golden. After about 2 minutes, we transfer everything to the blender cup. We're then gonna add 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of Monterrey Jack cheese, 1/3 cup of heavy cream, 2 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and last 1/4 cup of water. And now we blend. And this is how we want it. On the same pan, on medium heat, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of butter. Once melted, we add the chicken. Give it a mix and fry until fully cooked. It's been about 10 minutes, and as you can see, our chicken is ready. Now I'm gonna remove some of the excess butter. We add the sauce. We mix. Once it comes to a boil, we add our pasta. It's now boiling. I'm gonna add the pasta. Mix it all in. Once it's all mixed in, I'm gonna lower the heat and I'm gonna add some Monterrey Jack cheese on top. Cover it up and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, our pasta is now ready and I'm gonna serve myself. Okay guys, moment of truth. I always say I'm so hungry, it's because I always am. But this pasta smells amazing and I already know it's delicious. Cheers. It's so delicious. It's a little spicy, but not to the point where you can't handle it. It's super good. The chicken, super tender. It's so good. And there you have it, delicious chicken chipotle pasta. My cameraman is hungry. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.